If you're over 60 and you've started noticing tingling fingers, wobbly knees, or that your legs don't carry you quite like they used to, you are not alone. These subtle but frustrating changes in your body often point to a quiet yet powerful culprit: collagen loss. After the age of 25, our natural collagen production starts to decline, and by 60, we've often lost more than half of what our body once produced. Collagen is the essential protein that holds everything together: your skin, joints, bones, muscles, and even your blood vessels. Without it, we feel weak, stiff, and far older than we actually are. But here's the good news: you can naturally restore collagen, and you don't need powders, pills, or expensive treatments. Just a few powerful fruits can jumpstart your body's ability to build collagen again, helping to restore strength to your limbs, reduce nerve tingling, and even bring back youthful energy. Today, we're diving into the 8 best collagen-rich fruits, hand-picked specifically for seniors, that can help you feel steady, strong, and more alive than ever before. Let's begin with a fruit that's likely already in your kitchen. 1. Strawberries, the sweet collagen activator. Strawberries are more than just a juicy treat. They are one of the richest sources of vitamin C, which your body needs to produce collagen. In fact, without vitamin C, your body simply cannot build collagen at all. Just 1 cup of strawberries gives you more than 100% of your daily C needs. That means stronger ligaments, better joint flexibility, and improved blood flow, all of which help reduce that unpleasant tingling sensation in the hands and feet. Even better, strawberries contain antioxidants that fight free radicals, which are known to break down collagen faster. Want a tip? Try slicing strawberries into your morning oatmeal or yogurt for a senior-friendly collagen boost that tastes like dessert. 2. Mangoes, the skin and joint defender. Next up, the king of tropical fruits, mangoes. Not only are they a delicious summertime favorite, but mangoes also pack a punch when it comes to vitamin A and beta-carotene, both essential for collagen production and skin regeneration. These nutrients help keep your skin plump and youthful while supporting healthy joints. Seniors who eat mangoes regularly often notice smoother skin and less morning stiffness. And unlike citrus fruits, mangoes are gentle on sensitive stomachs, making them ideal for those dealing with digestion issues. Want to turn mango into a health habit? Freeze chunks and blend into a smoothie with Greek yogurt. It's like drinking a creamy collagen cocktail. 3. Blackberries, the nerve protector. Blackberries are little collagen-boosting powerhouses. Rich in ellagic acid, a unique antioxidant, blackberries protect your existing collagen from breaking down while stimulating new growth. But that's not all. They also support nerve health, which can help reduce that annoying tingling or pins and needles feeling in your extremities. As we age, nerve endings can become more sensitive or damaged, but nature has provided blackberries as a natural line of defense. Sprinkle them on your salad, or enjoy them fresh with a few almonds for a senior smart snack that's both brain and body boosting. 4. Oranges, the all-round collagen charger. No collagen list would be complete without the humble orange. This citrus superstar is perhaps the most well-known source of vitamin C, but what many seniors don't know is how powerful it really is in restoring skin elasticity and reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation can weaken your legs, damage blood vessels, and make walking painful, but oranges counter that with natural anti-inflammatory compounds and a vitamin C kick that recharges your body's collagen engine. Have a glass of fresh orange juice with breakfast, or enjoy slices with a pinch of sea salt for a hydrating and refreshing afternoon lift. It's not just delicious, it's medicine in fruit form. 5. Kiwi, the hidden collagen booster. Small in size but mighty in benefits, kiwi is one of the best fruits you can eat for collagen production. It's loaded with vitamin C, which is essential for building collagen, but it also provides vitamin E and zinc, both of which help protect and hydrate aging skin and joints. What makes kiwi special for seniors is that it doesn't just help create new collagen, it also helps prevent the breakdown of the collagen you already have. That means better skin elasticity, less joint stiffness, and stronger blood vessels to keep numbness and tingling at bay. Slice it into a bowl of yogurt or enjoy one on its own. Either way, it's a sweet little miracle for your body. 6. Pineapple, the joint soother. If your knees crack when you stand or your lower back hurts after a short walk, pineapple might be your new best friend. Pineapple contains a unique enzyme called bromelain, which reduces inflammation, improves joint flexibility, and supports the repair of worn-down cartilage. On top of that, it's rich in vitamin C, your collagen-building co-pilot. Seniors who eat pineapple regularly often report fewer aches, better movement, and improved digestion as a bonus. Add pineapple chunks to your smoothie, grill slices for lunch, or enjoy fresh with a pinch of cinnamon for a tropical anti-inflammatory treat. 7. Cherries, the muscle repairer. Don't underestimate the power of cherries. These little red gems are rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that support muscle recovery and reduce nerve inflammation. That's especially helpful for seniors who feel their arms and legs tire quickly or experience heavy leg syndrome. Cherries help reduce the microdamage that happens in muscles as we age, and they protect existing collagen from breaking down. One handful a day, fresh or frozen, can be a natural remedy for soreness, stiffness, and fatigue. Plus, they're heart-healthy and delicious. 8. Guava, the collagen superfruit. Our final fruit is often overlooked but might just be the most powerful of them all, guava. Just one guava contains more vitamin C than an entire orange, making it a top-tier collagen activator. But guava goes further. It's also rich in lycopene, a potent antioxidant that strengthens your skin, joints, bones, and even nervous tissue. For seniors dealing with nerve tingling, joint weakness, or aging skin, guava is like nature's collagen supplement, but better. Try slicing it with a sprinkle of sea salt, or just eat it whole, seeds and all, for maximum benefit. White heavy check mark final thoughts. Eat your collagen every day. Remember, after 60, you don't have to accept weak legs, tingling hands, or sagging skin as your new normal. Your body wants to heal. All it needs is the right support. These 8 collagen-rich fruits are not only delicious and natural, they're incredibly effective at helping your body repair itself from the inside out. Add a few to your daily routine, and in just a few weeks, you may feel the difference in your energy, strength, and mobility. Because real health isn't about magic pills, it's about smart, natural choices.